Don't Forget Dexter, written by Lindsay. Hello! Is anyone there? Oh, hi! I'm Dexter. Dexter T. Rexter. Can you help me? I'm looking for my best friend Jack. We came here together for a checkup. We were coloring and then I looked up and Jack was gone. It's been a really long time, like forever. Maybe you've seen him? I know, I'll make you a picture. How can you not remember him? He was just here. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to shout. Please don't go. Hey, you think this guy saw him? Excuse me, hello, Mr. Fish? Have you seen my best friend Jack? I know. I'll ask this lady up there. Bet she knows where Jack is. Hello, Miss Lady. Can you help me? I know. I'll sing our song. Then Jack will come back and find me. Dexter Dino stomp through the swamp. Dexter Dino jump, jump, jump. Maybe he can't hear me. I know, I'll sing louder. Dexter Dino stomp through the swamp. Dexter Dino jump, jump, jump. Is he coming? Do you see him? I don't understand. How could he forget me? I sang our song. Why isn't he coming back? Oh no! What if he left me here on purpose? No, this isn't happening to me. I'm Dexter T. Rexter, the toughest, strongest, coolest dinosaur there has ever been ever, right? I mean, look at my tail. See how swishy it is. Swish, swish, smash. And I've got big teeth. Jump, jump, jump. And my claws are pretty sharp. Scratch, scratch, her. And my feet, they make this really cool sound. Listen. What do you mean? Maybe he likes something more? More than me? Like another toy? Oh no! You don't think? No, not that. Anything but that? Cars and trucks and things that go? I can't compete with that. I can't honk. I can't beep. I can't even make a cool, raving sounds. Wait, what did you say? You think dinosaurs are awesome? Even better than trucks? Really? Me too, I know. Wait right there. Again. Splash! What if I never get out of here? No more stomping? No more jumping, no more singing. I love singing. No more playtime, no more part-time, no more bedtime snuggles, no more Jack. He's really never, ever, ever, ever coming back. Dexter! He's back! I knew it. And you were so worried. Dexter Dino, race around the room. Dexter Dino, vroom, vroom, vroom. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.